Planning to ship a car to Guatemala? Whether relocating, gifting, selling, or expanding a fleet, A1 Auto Transport offers reliable and affordable international vehicle shipping from anywhere in the U.S. to Guatemala. Many individuals choose to ship cars to Guatemala to avoid high local prices, relocate permanently or temporarily, send vehicles to family members, or support business needs. We transport cars, motorcycles, trucks, RVs, boats, and heavy equipment with care and full compliance with customs regulations. Shipping costs from the U.S. to Guatemala range from $1,400 to $3,000 for standard vehicles. Prices vary by location, season, and shipping method. Shipping times typically include ground transport to the port, 5 to 7 days, ocean transit, 19 to 38 days, depending on departure port and destination. Not near a port? No problem. A1 Auto Transport offers door-to-port pickup services anywhere in the United States, including Houston, Miami, and Los Angeles. We also assist with inland delivery inside Guatemala after customs clearance. Ready to ship your car to Guatemala? Contact A1 Auto Transport today for a free, no-obligation quote. Trust the experts to handle your vehicle shipping with care and precision.